Hello students, once again I welcome to the online class of AIS. As you all know, we have already started exercise 1C part 1. So today I am going to tell you regarding part 2 of 1C. So let's get started. So we are solving sum number 15. A man had rupees 10672540 with him. He gave rupees 4836980 to his wife, rupees 3964,790 to his son, and the rest to his daughter. How much money was received by his daughter? So total amount given to his wife and son is equal to rupees 4836980 and 0974693. We will add this up. So 0, 9 plus 8, 17, 1 in hand, 7 plus 1, 8, 9 plus 8, 17, again 1 in hand, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, again 1 in hand, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 in hand, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 in hand, so 8. This is the total amount given. Now the man had then rupees 10672540 should be subtracted from this one, that is 0771088. This should be subtracted, so 0, 14 minus 7, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 15 minus 8, 7, this is 0, 7, 16 minus 8, 8, 9, so 1. So this much amount he is having, so this much amount he has given to his daughter. Thus the money received by his daughter is rupees 1870770. This statement you can also write that will be proper, that the amount of money the man left with him, that will be better. The amount of money the man left with him, amount of money the man left with him is equal to rupees 10672540 minus 8801,770 will be subtracted. So this very amount will be received by his daughter, that is 1870770. So this one will be your final answer. Next question, sum number 18. A factory produces 6985 screws per day. How many screws will it produce in 358 days? So, answer, number of screws produced in 358 days is equal to, so we will multiply because per day 6985 screws are getting produced. So in 358 days how many screws? We will simply multiply it. 5 8s are 40, 4 in hand, 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 4 68, 6 in hand, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 6 78, 7 in hand, 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 7 55 into 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 5 8s are 40, 42, 4 in hand, 5 9s are 45 plus 4 49, 4 in hand, 6 5s are 30, that is 34. Now 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24 and 1 25, 2 in hand, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29, 2 6 3s are 18 plus 2 20. Once check it, 5 8s are 40, 4 in hand, 6 8 8s are 64 plus 4, that is 68, 6 8 9s are 72 plus 6 78, 7 in hand, 6 8s are 48 plus 7 55, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 8s are 40 42, 4 5 9s are 45 gives you 49, 4 6 5s are 30 34, 5 3s are 15, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, 2 3 9s are 27 29, 2 6 3s are 18 20. So we will add it up. 0 8 plus 5 gives you 13, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 8 16, 5 5 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 9 20, 2 in hand, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 9 20, 2 in hand, 3 plus 2 5 2. This is the total number of screws will be produced in 358 days. So this is your answer. Sum number 21. An aeroplane covers 1485 km in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 72 hours? So you can easily understand, if 1 hour the aeroplane covers 1485 km, that means in 72 hours what we will do? We will simply multiply it. So distance covered in 72 hours is equal to 1485 multiply 72, 5 2s are 10, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 in hand, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 into 1 2, so 7 5s are 35, 3 in hand, 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 3 59, 5 in hand, 7 into 4 28, 28 plus 5 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 3 in hand, 7 into 1 7, so this gives you 10. So 0, 7 plus 5 gives you 12, 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, so 106,920 kilometer will be covered. So this is your final answer. Number 23. If 36 flats cost rupees 68251500, what is the cost of each such flat? So each flat, that means one flat cost we have to find out. That means we have to divide. Now the thing is that Which one is unknown over here? Cost is unknown. That means cost should be placed in the right hand side. We will be writing the statement in this way. 36 flats cost rupees 68251500. So one flat cost, you can see that this amount is in the right hand side because we have to find out the cost of one flat. That means cost is unknown, but this quantity of flats are known, that is 36 flat and one flat. That is why this one I have written in the left hand side. So 68251500 divided by 36. I am doing the division here. So 36 ones are 36. 8 minus 6 gives you 2. 6 minus 3, 3. 2 will come down. So this gives you 2 has come down. This gives you 322. 8s are 36 into 8 gives you 288. So after subtraction you are getting 3, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 5 you have got. Then 9s are 36, 9s are 324. This gives you 21. 1 will come down. Now 36 5s are 180. So 211 minus 180 gives you 31 and 5 will come down. So 8s are 288. So 315 to 88 gives you 27. Now 0 will come down. 36 7s are gives you 252. So this gives you 18. Again 0 will come down. 36 5s are 180. So this is your answer, rupees 1895875. This is your final answer. This is the cost of one flat. Here we come to the end of this video, that is part 2. Hope you understand, and thank you student. We will get back to you with part 3.